9,000. 10,000. 10,000?
Yes. I don't have 10, but it's 10.
Yeah. That is crazy. 10,000 RPM, dude. It gets better.
What do you think, sir?
Dude, I mean, how could you not love it? Look at it. It's a Sylvia with a rotary in it. I mean,
I feel like you kind of blew everybody's mind, dude.
I try.
You try, you try, and you succeeded.
it's a RX-7 transmission,
RX-8.
RX-8 transmission.
Yes.
Did it fit better?
Oh, he's giving away all the
6-speed transmission better for my NA engine.
Okay.
Yeah, RX-7 transmission for turbo engine.
You're giving away all the good info. All right, so let's talk about this build. Actually, I heard about it at the SEMA show, and I didn't have a chance to check it out. We're here at the LZ Invitational, and I just walked by this thing, and I was just so blown away. The thing I like about it is that it looks like it doesn't work. You know, it looks like, you know, I look at it from far away. It's like, where is everything?
Yeah, like wires.
Yeah.
Or
where is everything? How is it that this is a running vehicle?
Yeah, this is running vehicle. I came here. It's 40 minutes away from Orlando Speed World. I drive it.
Yeah.
I drove this car in Russia.
Really?
Yeah.
So Arthem here is the builder, and you're originally from Russia.
Yes.
And did you actually buy this in Russia?
Yes, I bought it from in Russia, but it was imported from Japan to Russia.
Got it. And then what made you want to build this vehicle?
For me, this is best body. I love S13 body, but I don't like SR20. For me, it's best engine, rotary engine, and we put it.
So what's the story? How did you get it all the way here to Florida?
I moved to Florida, and I brought this car from Russia here, but it was hard. It's hard to find container, and now it's not good political in Russia, and it was one of the last container from Russia to US.
Really? Okay,
Yeah,
so you
I'm really, yeah.
Yeah, you're really...
lucky.
Yeah, you're lucky.
Yeah.
So here's the thing. You actually had a chance to show it in Poland
Yes,
before? How
yes.
long ago was this?
2019.
Okay, and then you got the top 16.
Yes.
The
Actually,
show...
top 4.
Oh, top 4?
Yes.
Okay. The show is actually called Racism. I think they
Racism.
changed the
Because
name.
of name, it's like
The name is a little...
yeah.
But what is it called now? Ultra Race?
Alt race, yes.
Alt Race?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Well, this motor choice is interesting. Were you always a Mazda enthusiast? Did you build Mazdas in Russia?
No, I got my friend Alexei, and he helped me with rotary engines. He teach me a lot, but we did all work together.
It looks great.
Yeah.
It just... So you did all this stuff? You
Yes,
tubbed it and everything?
everything. It was my first TIG welding titanium. If I need something, I try to learn and made it.
Huh. How long did it take for you to build this?
Like 5-6 years.
It was always your intention to use this engine? Huh?
Yes.
Have you seen somebody else do this before?
Turbo engines, but this is more, it's rotary, but it's a lot of custom parts. I saw projects, people just put rotary engine with single turbo, something like that, simple.
So then, how much power is this making? So it's a 13B NA.
Yes, now on a Russian gas, this is bad gas. It was 286 on wheels. On wheels.
286?
Yes, on wheels.
How's that possible?
It's possible. A lot of engineering work. We did a lot of engineering work. It's light rotaries, peripheral port, carbon fiber drive shaft, clutch from NASCAR, super light clutch.
And you know, right when we were rolling, the gentleman was asking you about the transmission.
Yes.
So you are using RX-8
RX-8 6
transmission,
speed. Yes.
6-speed.
Yes.
Huh. Okay, so did this come with a naturally aspirated SR20, or was it already turbo, or was it just a bare shell?
It was turbo from RX-8 FD.
No, I'm saying the original motor, the original engine.
Yes.
In this chassis.
In this chassis.
Was there an engine, or did you buy it as a bare shell?
It was this engine, stock engine. It's C8 18, crazy 990 horsepower.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Yeah. Automatic transmission. Huh. It was slow.
It just sits right, and this is static.
This is static, but we made by ourselves air caps.
Okay, so it does raise a little bit for you to drive.
If you need to drive speed bump, something like that, but you can drive lifted.
Got it. Okay, so tell me about the wheels.
Wheels, we made 3D model and cut it on CNC machine.
This is your custom center cap?
Yes. Custom wheels, custom central caps. And this is 16 wheels by 11 front and by 12 rear.
16 inch.
Yes.
I think 16 inch looks correct on this car.
Yeah, I love meaty tires.
What is the color?
Color, custom free stage candy color.
Incredible. I love it so much. Oh, I love the plate too.
Yeah.
That's a real Florida plate?
Yes. This is legal Florida plate.
You gotta love Florida, huh?
Yeah.
It's the best.
I love it. For this reason I here.
So cool, so cool. I love that you painted everything. So you stripped this all the way down to bare metal.
Everything. It was rusty. We have to weld some spots, take off oil paint, protect this corrosion primer, and paint it.
Yeah, I love it. The interior is pretty cool too. I can't believe the dash is uncracked.
Uncracked.
How
It's
did you
hard.
get an uncracked dash?
It was uncracked, and I just keep it.
I feel like you need to put like a window shade here to,
In Florida,
to make sure
yes.
it's good.
In Florida, yeah. In Russia, I live in a cold city. For this reason, it's keep clean. But here, yeah.
Incredible. So did you do all this, the cage, everything also?
Yes. This is cage from Cusco, but we made it chrome.
It looks great. I love that you painted the interior. I think it looks great.
Yeah, we'll try to save like a...
Is that a stock shift knob from an RX-8?
Yes.
That is so cool.
Rotary form, this.
Yeah.
Triangle.
So do the gauges, everything work?
Yeah, without speed.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the
Tachometer,
RPM?
Yeah, RPM, fuel, everything works.
I am blown away. It's such a pretty car.
And I try to put all stuff from 19th. This car from 19th, for example, I put old school seats from 19th, steering wheel.
You wanted to make it period correct. Like
Yes.
if you were to build it
Yeah.
in Japan
Yes.
in the 90s,
Yeah.
it would potentially look like this.
Yeah. No carbon fiber, for example. Only old school stuff.
But it's just so clean. And actually, before we started rolling, somebody came by and they pointed out that it's amazing that you still have the heater core.
Because
and it's
I'm
a
from
working,
Russia, yeah.
it's a working heater
Yes.
because that's what you need when you're driving this around in the
Yes.
winters in Russia.
In Russia, I have to. I
So-
don't need the AC in Russia, but I need a heater for sure.
So cool. Can
Here-
you turn it on?
Yeah.
Can we
yeah.
hear it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh my God, I'm so blown away. This thing is so cool. I love it. You guys are in for a treat. I know we are. About to start it. No way! I am. This is so cool!
I love it.
It sounds so good! It sounds so good from up here too. I just can't believe how small it is. Incredible.
I still love it.
So then what do you use for engine management?
Engine management, this is Microtech US Eco.
So crazy.
And now I built fuel system for using E85 and wanna tune here in US on E85.
I just don't get why more people don't do this.
I don't know, it's not easy. A lot of engineering work.
Yeah, because I've never even seen this. I also love the fact that the trumpets are right, you have the strut tower bar right in between the trumpets. Yes. I think that's great.
And this car is super light, it's 2,040 pounds.
2,040
pounds.
40.
Yeah, 40, yeah.
I bet you if you just changed a couple things, you could probably get it under 2,000 pounds.
Yes, all metal, no plastic. It was with metal hood.
Huh. It looks crazy. Well, Arthem, thank you so much for showing us your build.
Thank you, nice to meet you.
It's just so cool. Yeah, really, it was really nice to meet you. I was so bummed because I saw a bunch of people were posting about this at SEMA, and I was like, I gotta find this car, but we kind of ran out of time, you know, but I'm glad I got to see it here.
Oh yeah.
It's even better here because you could start it.
Yeah, we can drive it.
Yeah, that is so cool. All right.
Not
Awesome.
just show car.
Yeah.
I still need to check everything, how it's work. Need to tune, but it's driving.
Yeah, let's just move it over there so I can get some pictures of it. Oh my God, I can't believe how clean everything is though.
Yeah, clean and simple.
Yeah.
Like a factory.
Wow, yeah, it works. I am fully blown away. It's so weird that this sound is coming from this car.
Yeah.
I love it, I love it. It actually has a good amount of power. So right here, maybe just park it right here on the flat area, right here.
Left.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, that way you can get
like
some
that?
pictures. Yep, perfect, thank you. Appreciate it. Arthem, this is one of those times, many times, when we're already done rolling, but you keep telling me awesome things about it. So tell me about that gauge. That's from the USSR?
Yes, this is gauge from USSR, 1978 year. It's old stuff from my grandpa, I think.
But what was the gauge for?
For huge truck, a Russian huge truck, KAMAZ.
Ah.
Maybe Euro, I don't know, honestly.
Okay, so he's like, hey, I'm gonna pop the trunk because there's a bunch of cool stuff in there. I did not expect it to look like this. We got a ATL fuel cell that is the shape of the spare tire well. It's even like flat on the bottom here, but he did this in order to run E85. Right now it's just running gas, but he's converting it to E85. But this is the gauge that he was talking about from the USSR. I love that it says CCCP on it. That is so crazy. That is so cool. So that is actually for the air cup system.
Yes, for air cup.
Got it. Incredible. I keep getting blown away, dude.
I can't with this car. This is incredible good.
It's everything good about car culture.
Incredible good. Like S13B.
S13B.
I can't even right now.
S13B.
And it's on small wheels. It's not on like big.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to support us directly, go to LarryChenPrints.com. I print and sign every single one of these. This is the perfect gift, or it's the perfect piece of art for your wall.